You know they're not good for you, yet your mind keeps pulling you toward them. Logic says walk away, but your emotions say stay. This conflict isn't weakness, it's psychology. Your brain is responding to old patterns, not present reality. We are drawn to what feels familiar, not always what feels healthy. If chaos, inconsistency, or emotional distance felt normal growing up, your brain mistakes those patterns for home. Familiar pain feels safer than unfamiliar peace. This is why unhealthy relationships can feel magnetic. Inconsistent affection creates the strongest emotional addiction. A little validation here, a little rejection there. Your brain starts craving the next hit like a jackpot. This unpredictable reward pattern bonds you tightly. It's the same mechanism that keeps people hooked on gambling. Part of you is still trying to win the love you didn't get earlier in life. This isn't conscious, it's emotional muscle memory. You chase their approval, hoping it will heal old wounds. But the wound can't be healed by repeating the past. Your inner child deserves better than this cycle. When you feel unworthy, mistreatment feels almost expected. You accept crumbs because you don't believe you deserve more. Your brain normalizes the pain to protect you from feeling rejected. But this protection keeps you trapped. Low self-worth creates a bias toward unhealthy love. You fall for what they could be, not who they are now. Your brain clings to the good moments as proof of their potential. This creates a hopeful fantasy that feels safer than reality. But loving someone's potential is not the same as being loved. Hope becomes a trap when it replaces truth. The moment you pause and see the pattern clearly, something shifts. Awareness breaks emotional autopilot. You realize the pull isn't love, it's a learned response. That realization creates space between you and the pattern. Healing begins the moment the spell cracks. Your brain can be rewired through new experiences. Healthy love teaches your nervous system a new baseline. You learn that peace isn't boring, it's safe. You learn that respect isn't extra, it's required. You can outgrow the people who couldn't love you right. Thanks for watching Psych Reboot. Take a breath, reset your mind, and I'll see you in the next one.